This video is all you need to create good high quality logos and vector images and make good amount of money with freelancing using these 5 platforms I'm gonna tell you. So this video is a complete package on how you can learn making logos and how you can sell it. So stay till the end of the video. I'm Adit and you're watching Skill Curve. The tool I'm talking about is Quiver AI. So it's in a beta mode right now and it's pretty much free, by the way, so you can use it for free. And this tool looks really good. You can see on the screen the whole goal of this tool is to make logos, SVG images, and all the things that you used to wish for using AI. Now, how we can use it to make actual logos? For example, if you just look at this main picture of entire website, it's just nothing. You can see right now there are so many already made logos, but we are gonna make our own one. All right, so how to start making logos for a proper AI prompt, though we can give it to the Quiver AI and it generates us for. So we can go to simply ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gives one of the best prompts if we want to create something like that. So I said, first prompt as, hey good, can you give me a logo generation prompt for an energy drink company? Because I think this is one of the best way to test with different product logos to see how it's working. We will see energy drink, we will see different food companies, SaaS, and all that stuff just stable in the video. So I just say, come to Quiver AI. Here you can see just input box, click on imagine part, and here you just put your prompt. We just copied from ChatGPT. If you don't know what exactly this prompt was, so I'm reading it, skimming it. Design a modern high impact SVG logos for energy drink, brand name Volt Rush. I know I named this random Volt Rush. You can just name it your own company. I said style should be bold, sharp, aggressive, a little bit futuristic. Visual element should be abstract lighting. I said typography should be custom, angular sans serif. So yeah, I also kind of instructed font style here. So this is what I'm talking about. When you give a prompt, make sure you also give your custom ideas like colors, fonts, design. So it just gives better logos, because without direction it's a very vague prompt, and that's not a good prompt. I also say color palette like neon electric blue. I also give a hex code, by the way, so it just gives better and accurate color result. I also said clean SVG vector paths, no gradients, and I think this energy drink don't need gradient color, and the output should be centered composition, transparent background. Of course, without transparent background your logo is useless. Now once I enter this prompt, the magic has to start happening, and you can see right now it draws the entire logo in the real time, by the way. So yeah, it started with this outlining your logo for SVG. You can see right on your screen. It's just pretty good to see in real time AI. I've never thought of something like this would happen, but again, I think first logo of our is ready, and this is looking seriously good. The Volt Rush with proper blue and neon green kind of visual, exactly I wanted. So if you have tried any kind of energy drink, you get it, the vibe, right? These kind of colors do well in advertisement and all that stuff, but I think enough for the logo appeasement. Time to actually know how to use this tool. Now once you click on the right side, you can see there's SVG, PNG, JPEG, MP4. So yeah, you can see there are different formats you can export your logo. However, I will say go with SVG, because SVG has a very interesting style, like your quality will not be distorted. So once you click on SVG, you can click on export SVG. It won't ask you any fee subscription, just you click on export SVG and your logo has been exported. Good. I never expected that fast of a logo generation. Now not only this, we will test this on different make a logo for an AI company, and since you all know AI company logo sucks, so time to fix this. So I said, hey, make an AI company logo for Neuroflux. It should be minimal, futuristic, clean, and abstract neural network. Symbol should be like geometrical, balanced, recognized at small size, and the style should be vector, no noise. It should be a little bit tech focused. Typography would be like sleek sans serif fonts, and spacing and professional should be clean. And I said color should be deep blue, and accent should be electrical purple, and that's all I think we need. Once we just copy it here and paste it here, now you can see the real time we are making an AI company logo called Neuroflux, and it's ready. And you can see right now it's up front view, it's a dark blue and a little bit purplish, and this is looking seriously good in my opinion. If I give it my opinion as a artist, as a designer, I think this is looking seriously good with proper, graph, with proper neural networks connection. And I think we can make it better, but I think I'm using it to show you as a demonstration purpose. You can make it better than this. Okay, now let's talk about another prompt which I was very much working. How if we make a, organic skincare brand and make a logo for it. So I said, just make it as a Velora Botanics. This should be the name of our brand, and make a proper SVG logo. And yep, and I think the prompt was pretty much same as I expected, the colors, constraints, typography, and yeah, these are the things ChatGPT already gives you. So yeah, you don't have to worry about this. Just copy it again and paste it here, and it just generating the logo in the real time. And I think the logo is in front of us. I hate to say it, but this is one of the finest logo we have generated so far. Proper, it's just proper giving you a skincare product vibe with different leaves, with more like a proper herbal look. Like it's proper natural product with skin. And I think this is the kind of thing we were missing before AI, and now I think we are at the very peak leverage to creating such high quality masterpiece with the help of AI. Now just don't stop here, we have so many good prompts to test. I said, what if we make a proper fast food brand and logo for it? And I said, what, just make it energetic, fun, rounded space, typography should be chunky, a little bit flat vector, and maybe there has to be gradients, but I said no gradients, simple shapes, and it should be like very clear what our brand's purpose is. And it did pretty well. You can see the bun bash logo is here, so it's almost indicating as a burger, I guess. So there's a patty in the burger. I think this is so good. Okay, now you can do the same thing, export it to SVG, MP4 has some kind of animation. I find that it's not very appealing. Okay, not all this, also has a feature called vectorization. So if you have any image or logo, for example, I have a Coca-Cola image logo, what I say, just simply upload that image and click on vectorize image just beside the imagine. Once you input the image, I input the Coca-Cola logo, and you can see right now it vectorizing this entire thing in real time. Like the Coca-Cola logo and any image you want to vectorize can be done in just single prompt. Not even a single prompt, just upload your picture and it gives you proper SVG, PNG, different formats. This is what I was talking about when it comes to generating high quality logos, thumbnail with AI. It's just more efficient and performative. Okay, we have made logo, but what about we can make money out of it using freelancing and actual platforms, not scams? So first platform I want to talk about is Contra. So Contra is nothing. It's almost like a platform with proper it's like a Twitter, but here people post jobs, freelancing gigs. So you can just talk to different clients here using DM, and Contra has very high quality client actually. So once you get into the Contra, you can get proper clean portfolio, and it is much better than most of the platform. It has very good clients designing, and especially if you're a designer, logo designer, it's one of the best place you can go here. But also you have to keep posting here like Twitter, so you get better traction. Another platform which is best if you're starting out is Upwork. It's pretty good for new people, newbies. Just simply register you as a profile and then start applying to gigs. So the people generally here post jobs, and you have to go there, apply it, and post your proper application that you can do this for them, and then they will DM you, and this is how your proper freelancing journey starts here. Another platform which is like third one of the list, which is Fiverr. Fiverr gives you insane leverage. Like it's unlike any other platform. You have to go and create your own gigs and list it in the market. For example, hey, title of your gig is to I make logos for you, efficient, more cheaper, and more easy way, more. So this is how you list it on your account, and once you list it, people will slowly start getting it to you, and start saying hey, can you make this logo for me? So it's almost like posting it, and then slowly you get traction. Another underrated platform which is good as a freelancing logo maker is Reddit. Yep, I know you will say what. Yeah, so Reddit has so many different sub like our startups, are for hire. So here you can just simply go hey, I make logos for different startups, and you just post there, and you can say hey, I'm looking for someone to work with, and I'm looking for a work if you have. So people actually go and reply to your post and may ask for DM, and yep, you can then sell your services there too. And the last platform, which is very quick, is Twitter. Yep, X, Twitter, whatever you call it. It's pretty good, by the way. If you just buy your blue tick, it's very much top of the notch. Any platform, you can just keep posting about your logo designing here. Brands, startups, different people, content creators will start coming to you and start DMing you, hey, can you make this for me? And this is how you'll get clients there. So I give you the 5 top platform list where you can start selling these logos, with not just only teaching you how to make logos, also teach you how you can use this skill to make some actual cash.
If you like this video, just simply click on like button, share it, and for more such cutting edge tutorial, latest technologies videos every day, just subscribe the channel.